Hello, my name is Frank Silvera, and today I'll be discussing Lab 4, which uses AND, OR, and XOR gates. Now, uh, in this lab, there are 4 switches, switch 0, 1, 2, and 3, connected in pairs to an AND gate and an OR gate, which are then connected to an XOR gate, which is finally connected to an LED. So the whether or not switch 0, switch 1, switch 2, and switch 3 are flipped will make the LED light up. And in my submission, or when I was filling out the truth table and actually using the basis 3 board to view the results based on which switch was flipped, they matched completely. And as you can see, I built it in basis 3 over here, with the 4 switches, the AND and the OR gate, the XOR gate, and then the LED. And here uh, I have pictures of the XOR or gate based on which switch was flipped for each of the checked uh, boxes over here. The checked rows specifically. Like for this picture represents the first row where all of the switches are unflipped and so there is no light present. This picture represents the row where only the first switch is flipped and there is still no light present. This picture represents the row where only switch 2 is flipped. And as you can see right here, there is a light present. This picture represents when switch 1 and switch 2 is flipped. And as you can see, there's a light present. This photo represents when switch 3 is flipped. And as you can see, there's a light present. This picture represents when switch 3 and switch 1 are flipped. And as you can see, there's a light present. This picture represents when switch 3 and switch 2 are flipped. And as you can see, there is a light present. This picture represents when switches 3, 2, and 1 are all flipped, and as you can see, there is a light present. And that is basically all of the checked rows as shown on the pictures. And again, in conclusion, the expected results that I filled out using the truth table match the basis 3 results, or the actual results, completely. And overall, it shows that the AND gate will output a high output only when both switches are flipped, both switch 0 and 1 are flipped. The OR gate will output high when either switch 2 or switch 3 are flipped. And the OR gate, the XOR gate, will only output high when these gates output opposite logic levels, so 0, 1, or 1, 0. Then the LED will light up as a result.